Yeah, yeah.
Yes, please.
Hello, land friends, and welcome Dr. Sanjay Asnani to our Zoom meeting. This is regarding lesson learned while fighting with coronavirus. Friends, as all of us know, Dr. Sanjay Asnani, he is a renowned dentist and oral surgeon of our city. He works at Sai Care Dental Implant and Facial Trauma Hospital. Recently, he was infected with coronavirus seriously, and now, along with his family and kids, he is perfectly fine sitting at home with his family. Today, we all, Lions Club of Ahmednagar Pride, have arranged a web interview just to take learnings from his battle and let world also know how to fight with this dreadful virus. We are recording this video in background and we will publish it on the Lions Pride YouTube channel, and will be also circulating it on WhatsApp and Facebook. This video will be a question and answer type. With this, we will start our first question. That is, sir, can we start?
Yeah.
First question is, how do you feel after coming out safely from COVID-19?
First of all, thank you, Lions Club of Pride, for taking this initiative, for letting the public know that what exactly happens if your person is infected with COVID. Sunny, I am like feeling much better. I got this infection say around today's 18th or 19th day, I guess. Okay. So I was there in hospital for 10 days, but now I am at home, quarantined for 7 days. Perfectly fine, no symptoms whatsoever, like no fever, nothing, no breathing problem. I am comfortable, just waiting my quarantine period to get over. Hello.
Yes, yeah, we are listening. We are able to hear. Not a problem.
Yeah. So, what was the question again? Like how I'm feeling, right?
Yeah, how I'm feeling coming home back. लड़ाई करके कैसे लग रहा है?
Yeah, it's always a great thing to come back home, you know. But still, though I'm at home, I am away from my children, you know. It's like the protocol has to be followed. So today is almost 19th day I have not met my children. Every day they come outside and we just have a chat from my room. But then I'm not able to touch them. Right.
So, but the recent study says that after 10th day, the viral load of the coronavirus has been reduced. It is so reduced that even if you are having symptoms, you test negative. So, what do you have to say about this?
No, so the recent study says that after 10 days, you don't shed virus, right?
Yeah.
Like
you cannot infect the other person.
You cannot infect the other person. But then see, there are certain protocol. See, the guidelines from WHO and ICM are changing daily, you know. Daily we get something.
I totally agree.
Yeah, we get something new to know. Okay. So why to take a chance? You know, it's a question of my family and everything. Like everybody will think the same way, you know. I can move around in the house, but then I am taking precautions because I don't want that they should get infected because of me. So that's why I'm just isolated myself. That's it.
Okay. So Sunny Bhai, can I go with the second question?
Yes.
So what were the symptoms that you thought that this is COVID, or that was, did you even first of the time did you thought that this is COVID? Whatever symptoms you did got.
See, on Saturday, that is 27th, I had some body ache. Okay, I had joint pains. I thought it is because of exertion, because we are working day in, day out. So it's like because of exertion, I must be having body pain. So I took paracetamol on that day. But Sunday evening, I had some like feverish feeling. Okay. So I called up one of my friend, Dr. Amit Badve. He is now president of Lions Club of Ahmednagar. So he said, let's wait for one day and we'll see it tomorrow. But Monday morning, I cancelled all my appointments, suspecting that I might be having COVID. So I cancelled all my appointments.
Who knows better than me?
Yeah, I had called you also because I had a visit at Saideep. So I called up everybody. I cancelled my appointments. And on Monday evening, I got a fever with chills, you know. So I went to Globus. I got my HRCT done on that day. Amit said we'll get an HRCT done. but HRCT was absolutely normal. So we suspected it's a normal viral fever, and let take some antibiotics, some anti-inflammatories. Then he asked me to start with some medicines, but I called Kiran. He said consult a physician. So I called Dr. Kiran. He said start with Dexa and azithromycin. And he asked me to get some blood tests done.
Yeah, you told me about that.
So next day I got my blood test. Yeah, so blood investigations were done. They were all normal. But then Tuesday evening again I had a spike of fever. So I thought it's better to get isolated. So again I called Kiran. He said you straight away come down to Saideep. I'll keep you on 10th floor and you will take your swab. So then a swab was taken. Fever was there, like fever was around 99. So the swab was taken. It came out to be positive. Fine, it's positive. Yes. I was prepared for it. But then the whole process started, the tension and all that started. Because family was isolated immediately. My floor was isolated. All the padosis were like the swabs were taken. And I was more worried about them because all the children used to come to my house and play, So I was more worried about those people because unknowingly they might get infected because of me. So
I agree. The guilt feel.
Everybody's swab was taken. My staff swab was taken. And contact history was taken. Okay. So, but then all came out to be negative. Okay.
Yeah.
So, but my family swab was repeated. Okay. So that was again a tension for me. I became claustrophobic in the room, because to be very frank, I was scared on that day because my family was next door, but I couldn't meet them.
And you couldn't meet them. I agree.
Yeah. And I was worried because they should not come positive. And for that moment, I'll not lie. I had given up. I had literally given up at
you
that
are a fighter person.
See, I was not worried about myself, It was my family's concern. So I called up Kiran. I said, Kiran, I am feeling a bit uneasy, my saturation was 95. But he said, you immediately come down. I'll do an HRCT for you. So he did a CT and there was some patch in the lungs, He said it's a small patch. But he kept me in the cubicle ICU. He said, we'll keep you there. And then everything started with the IV antibiotics, antivirals, and all the protocols started and O2 was given to me. Then after 1 hour, he called me, Saleh, tere family ka sab negative aaya result. Now put your chin up and fight with this. Okay.
Yes, sir, but so there was a rumor that even madam is positive, even your both kids were positive. There were rumors going around. So how do you react with that?
No. This I came to know after 4 days when I was shifted to Deepak Hospital. Okay.
Yeah.
Till that time, I was not knowing that these rumors are going around in the city, So first thing I did on that day when I was shifted to ICU was I was totally cut off from the social media.
Yeah. So you didn't have your phone, kya?
I had my phone. But then I was not on WhatsApp. I was very selective in picking up the calls. I was not on any social media platform. Okay. I was just answering selective calls. Okay.
Thank you. That means you answered my call. That means I was one of them.
No. See, I said I answered very selective calls and usme koi problem nahi tha. But then I was keeping away myself from the negative people, that unnecessary people keep on troubling you that Sanjay kya hua? Arre kuch nahi hoga, ye hoga, wo hoga. I was just avoiding those calls, And the moment my family's report came negative, I took a breather, I had tears in my eyes actually. That
I can understand.
God, they are negative. Okay. And then the journey, then the fight started in the positivity, everything pumped in, like, friends kept on calling me. I focused on myself from that time, that moment onwards. And on Sunday, I was shifted to Deepak Hospital. Okay.
Saturday night, I suppose, ki Sunday morning?
No, Sunday night.
Okay, great.
Sunday night, I was kept in ICU because everything was in the preliminary stage, at Deepak Hospital. So Monday afternoon, I was shifted to room, and there it was like, I was very much comfortable. I became comfortable because I had space to move, I started meditating thrice a day, like at least 2.5 hours I was doing meditation, in a day. Then
wow.
Yeah. Morning, evening, and before going to sleep. strictly I was following the protocol. Positive energy, no negativity, nothing whatsoever. Breathing exercise, because main lungs were bad. I was asthmatic. So I had a fear that I might deteriorate. Even Kiran had the same fear. But then everything went on smoothly. I started focusing on the goal to get out of that place, And
I
finally,
agree.
on 10th day, I was discharged. So,
Yes.
yeah.
Hats off.
Good.
Thank you.
Yes.
So before I
Sunny
take
Bhai,
on
please.
the next question is mine apparently. Before I take on the next question, you've been quite clear on your stand that positivity is a real thing which you need. So could you just enlighten us more on how basically you keep your mind fresh and be a little positive for our viewers to know that how much positivity plays a role during fighting COVID?
See, positivity plays a very vital role. See, today also you are sitting in your office, Corona is sitting next to you, right?
Absolutely.
Corona is it's a dead piece of shit, no? It is just waiting for you to do a mistake, right? Right. I was working since day one, like since the lockdown was declared, I was working in hospitals.
25th March.
Yeah. So every day I was in a hospital, I was working, and I was Lions Club also did some langars, did a langar seva. I was also part of it, but I was not able to give full time because all the things were other than apart from my clinic, I had to take care of other things also. But then during that phase, I was taking all the precautions, and in the clinic also, Dr. Payal knows. Like I took some webinars also on how to what are the protocols should be followed. So in spite of taking so much precautions, I still got infected, right? So think of a common man, when they are not taking any precautions, like they are moving on the road without mask and without all necessary precautions, they are just roaming in the market. Think of those people, So positivity has to be there. If you don't have a positivity, you will not survive, because that fear of Corona, everybody thinks that if Corona happens, they will be on the 3% side, the death rate, mortality rate is hardly 3%. But nobody wants to think that they can be on the 97% of the side, where they can come out, they can fight with the disease, and they will be all right. Okay.
True.
So the positive energy, you have to carry that energy with you. If you even develop a negative thought, like I developed a negative thought for some moment, that was very bad, that phase was bad. But then you have to be focused, that you have to get out of this, you have to fight. It's a self-limiting disease, 7 days it's 7 days you will be all right. Okay. But those 7 days, what happens, nobody comes near to you. Okay.
Absolutely.
Except for your doctor. Nobody comes near to you.
Hats off to all the doctors who are, really taking it so.
Manyok, I'll tell you, people should stop criticizing doctors because I have seen for 10 days how they are working. To be in a PPE kit for 8 hours, it's not a joke. Okay.
And with PPE, they cannot drink water, they cannot eat anything, they cannot use the washroom for 8 hours.
8 hours. And imagine the dehydration part, how dehydrated they would be after 8 hours when they remove PPE, what will be the situation? So just hats off to all these doctors, the nurses, the BVG staff, they are doing a tremendous job in all the hospitals. So we should stop criticizing the medicos, first of all. That is the first thing we should do,
Absolutely. That is really appreciated. Any magic mantra you would like to give to our viewers, sir, to be a little more positive?
Manyok, what I had never done meditation in my life, but in these 10 days, I came to know myself that, without this, I cannot survive. So you have a phone. I started doing Om ka jo mantra rehta hai. It was 45 minutes ka pura hai wo. So 45 minutes morning, 45 minutes evening, 45 minutes at night. So that I was doing compulsory. Breathing exercise, pranayam, yes, compulsory. Then I joined a online meditation course also during the hospital period, okay, of Sadhguru. So I was listening to his all the videos. And then one of my teacher, he is like Dr. Vijay Deshmukh from Pune. I follow him because he is a spiritual guru. He has written many books, and I was reading this book also. It's a very good book. It's like it transforms your life, you know. So he used to send me all every day morning Gita ka shlok for 20 minutes, you know, recorded, live recorded. So I used to listen to that. So this is how I kept myself focused on that target, you know.
Taking on the next question, sir. What are the steps and measures you took to come out of this dreadful disease, and the role of the hospital in the treatment of this disease?
See, steps already told that stay focused, but the role of hospital, yes, if you develop symptoms, if you are hospitalized, then staff plays a vital role. Your physician plays a vital role because he keeps a check record of everything. Okay, the protocol of medicines, like if I I developed some symptoms like chest, there were changes on the CT, right? So he knew better what is to be given to me, what medicine is to be given. So trust your doctor. The staff takes care of yourself. Like the protocol is properly followed in the hospital. The medicines are given on time and they have their role, you know. If you are asymptomatic, then there is no need of medicine. You stay at home only, no need of hospitalization also. But if you have symptoms, then the medicines and the care in the hospital, like your daily timetable has to be followed. Medicines are to be given on time. Then your food, your dietary habits. Okay. So these all play a very big role. And moreover, your company matters, you know, like next door, I had a doctor. I'll not disclose his name, but then he was next door to me. He motivated me a lot, you know, like staying focused. कोई O2 का जरूरत नहीं है, तू breathing exercise कर, कुछ नहीं होगा. He used to come after every 2 hours. He used to come to my room, check my saturation, you know. So he played a very big role in motivating me in these 6 days when I was in Deepak Hospital. So a company around you matters, you know. Because see, in hospital, all are positive. सब समदुखी हैं, एक ही लेवल पे हैं, सब पॉजिटिव ही हैं, राइट? तो आप उनसे जाके मिलोगे तो आप दोबारा इन्फेक्ट तो नहीं होने वाले, राइट? सो बात करो सबसे. आई यूज्ड टू कीप स्पीकिंग टू पीपल इन द ऑन द फ्लोर, यू नो, मोटिवेटिंग देम, चलो यार कुछ करते हैं ऐसा. सो इट्स that's the only key, you know.
True, sir. And
Can you go for next question?
so the next question, who's taking on the next question?
Riddhi is going to take.
Sir, I'll be taking the next question. So when we talk about the symptoms of coronavirus, many of us are really confused between those symptoms of viral and some further symptoms. Like many people, they just keep on taking medicines at home and the recovery procedure delays. So one key symptom or one key feature of corona, which you feel that the person should go and get himself tested.
See, I'll tell you, you should know your body very well, first of all. Okay. The first symptom which I got was joint pain. But there are other symptoms like fever, cough, running nose, your abdomen pain. Sometimes it happens, loss of taste, loss of smell. But it's not necessary that all the symptoms will be there in one person, you know. One person might have only fever. Hello, is it audible?
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir. Yes, sir.
So, see, some might have only fever, some might have a breathing problem, some might have cough and cold. The moment you feel that you are having such symptoms, and if you're in a doubt, go yourself and get it tested, you know.
Okay.
Don't wait for it to worsen. Don't do self-medication, okay? Because self-medication, it harms. It literally will spoil your body, okay?
Okay.
So if you are in a doubt, just get out of this stigma. Don't wait that I'll wait for 2 more days, let the fever subside, मैं paracetamol लूंगा.
Because this is our mentality of every house. Take this medicine, take that medicine.
That is where this virus attacks, you know. The mentality, the thinking of our people, you know. If you are in a doubt, just don't give a second thought. Go call the person, get yourself tested, you know. If you are negative, fine. If you are positive, get the further treatment done.
All right. So also I wanted to know that nowadays WhatsApp is being flooded with many messages. Okay, you should have a COVID safety kit at home. N number of medicines are being named in those messages. Are those medicines actually helpful or they actually valid?
COVID safety kit, I'll tell you, you should have a thermometer at home. You should have a pulse oximeter at home. right?
Okay.
Your saturation, if you feel that you have a fever, you should, for first day, at least you should check your saturation and pulse with the pulse oximeter every 4 hours, and temperature. And you should have basic
Right.
medicines like paracetamol at home. Not beyond that, because if you're not improving with those medicines,
Alright.
then there is no point in continuing with the medicines further.
All right.
So basic kit, you should have a thermometer and a pulse oximeter at home. Basic things.
Okay. Is there a change in your diet also along with the medicines?
See, in the hospital, no, diet is regular. I have not been asked to restrict anything, but then I myself am avoiding fried things and all other basic food, healthy food
Alright.
you should have, and fruits.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Next question is also yours only, I believe.
So it's done.
Okay.
Sanjay, next question is that, do you think this
Hello.
disease can revert back? Like, can it come back, and like, do we need to take any precaution? Are you taking some good precautions on that, or?
See, I'll tell you, Sunny, there are some studies which say that whatever antibodies today I have developed, okay, they may stay for only for 4 months, because this will mutate and another species will come. But these are very early days, but as of now, they say that if you have got COVID now, there are very remote chance that you will get infected again. But the thing is, you should care for your family. You should always wear. I will have to wear a mask compulsory. I'll have to take whatever precautions I was taking previously before COVID. I'll have to take the same precautions for myself again, because by end of the day, I have to come home, and my family will be in contact with me, right? I might not get infected, but because of me, if I'm carrying that virus at home, my family might get infected. Okay, so I cannot be casual that meko to nahi hoga dobara, aisa nahi chalega. So family has to be taken care, and other people's also surrounding you.
We have to
So
keep
there are reports that people have tested again positive after a few months in China. But then it's a very rare thing, It's not a common thing.
So this time it is not for us, it is for others.
Yeah. Now you have to take care of others.
Hey, good afternoon, Sanjay. Hope all well with you.
All good.
Gone through a lot of I think this will be a kind of memory which you won't forget, your family won't forget.
No, never.
We all
Never.
Nightmare.
So one question, like how your family or kids reacted to this, basically. So how was that pressure you managed, or how they took it ahead, basically?
See, I'll tell you, when I was suspecting myself, when I was at home, I shifted my children to my grandparents' house, in-laws' house. They are in next building, okay. But Mansi was with me, okay. So we were treating myself as a viral fever. So when I got hospitalized, she used to come daily to the hospital, and the moment the result came positive, everything stopped, everything. Nobody, like, I was isolated, and family, they reacted like, "ठीक है, हो गया ना, अभी we'll fight with it." Okay. Both the daughters were prepared कि चलो अभी पापा 10 से 12 दिन हमको मिलेंगे नहीं, right? So मैं यात्रा में बोल के गया था उनको कि, see, if I test positive, then I'll not meet you for next 15 days. When I was leaving home, when I was going to Saidi for getting admitted, so I told them कि अगर मैं अभी positive आता हूँ, so I'll not meet you for next 15 days, okay? So they were mentally prepared for it. And Mansi she's also a fighter. She has taken a very good care of my family. She has a double responsibility. Her parents are also staying with us only, so they are aged, so they have to be taken care. So these people were like quarantined. When the test came negative for them, they were quarantined for 10 days. Yesterday उनका quarantine खत्म हुआ है, तो वो लोग भी बाहर नहीं निकले हैं, घर पर ही हैं, and they know that अपने को ये प्रोटोकॉल फॉलो करना ही है. So they were very in a positive frame of mind. In fact, I was a bit negative for some time, but then they on daily video calls आते थे उनके, good night messages, motivating, बच्चे motivate करते थे कि हम घर पे खेल रहे हैं. So they were very, very much comfortable. So when I saw them comfortable, I was like, yes, ठीक है, कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. I have to go back.
Next question, can you take?
Uh, I think I was the last person to meet you before your test came negative, if I'm not
Yes,
wrong, Sanjay sir.
yes,
I was
yes,
the
yes,
one who came there and told you that please do take care of yourself. That time I
yes,
was
yes.
not knowing that whatever it is happening. But for
Right.
you, I came upstairs and I said, please do take
I know,
care.
yeah. Hmm.
Yeah.
So,
So, what are your plans? Though I know some part, but what are your plans for getting back to normal routine, normal life?
see, normal routine is like from Monday, I'll be starting my routine. I'll get back to track. I'll first focus on my health first. Whatever routine this has been set in these 15 days should become a protocol for me henceforth. I'll restrict my clinic hours, right? Because there's no point in the corona at present, it is at the peak. It's at like
I
community spread
agree.
is
I
there.
totally agree.
So why to expose ourselves more? Focus on 3-4 hours of practice and hospital visits with selected hospitals where I feel that I'll be comfortable working over there. Okay,
Mhm.
because before COVID, I used to run everywhere. You know that. I
I
just
know
used
that.
to take my bag and yahan se wahan bhago. But now the life will change. The focus will be on
I agree.
myself and my family priority first, and my
I
health
totally
and
agree with
their health.
this.
And then comes the second thing will be my practice. So I'll restrict myself to number of patients per day and all. But then I'll start my
Uh,
routine from Monday. Yeah, with all
okay.
precaution.
All the best to you,
मतलब
sir.
Thank you.
एक 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 मेरे क्वेश्चन मेरे मन में जस्ट अभी आया. व्हाट इज द
बिल्कुल.
फीलिंग? पीपल लुक एट यू विद अ डिफरेंट. अब आपको लोग दूसरे नजर से देखेंगे. अरे यार ये पॉजिटिव आया था, इसको क्या मतलब, should we come in contact with him, should we talk to him, should we come close to him? like
Yes.
like we people, like we from doctorate family, or we who know that after 10th day the viral load is so less that it cannot get infected to other person, but
Correct.
from a person from a non-medico family, how will be his reaction? So what will be your way to handling them, and what will be your protocols?
See, I will open like today, like the interview has been done. This will be broadcast on many channels. I open,
agree.
I will openly come out and say that I am I have been COVID positive, and today also I have accepted. And the day when I had accepted, the patient used to call me. Still they are calling me, and they used to ask me, "Sir, clinic क्यों बंद है?" Positive है, ठीक है यार, positive है. But then out of so many calls, nobody has told me that, sir. कि हम लोगों को क्या आगे क्या आप प्रैक्टिस कैसे करोगे. दे आर जस्ट वेटिंग कि सर आप आओ सर, एंड दे आर प्रेइंग. So people are taking it in a positive way. Only thing is
Great.
like the NGOs, like we, the young generation, they have to change the nazariya of public. Like we should
I
educate,
agree.
come forward and educate people that this is like a normal viral fever. It's a normal virus. It is not going to, it is going to die after 10 days. Okay. So person becomes totally healthy after 10 days. You are
viral
not at a
fever.
risk from that person again. So this stigma of the society has to be removed from the minds of the people. And
I
only
agree.
we can do it. The young generation and the doctors can do this. Take this initiative and educate people.
Great.
Also, using this
Yes.
platform, we are sending a message, which is a very clear message that the viral load dies after 10 days, and
Yes.
a person cannot be mutated with this virus, or a virus cannot be passed. So, all the viewers who will be viewing this, it is a request
Knows.
to please handle your surroundings carefully. जिनको भी COVID
Correct.
हुआ है,
And I'll tell you, Maniok, the people in the society are so good here that they are so helpful. They स्वतः खुदों के सामने आ रहे हैं, संजय सर कुछ हेल्प चाहिए क्या, फैमिली को कुछ हेल्प चाहिए क्या, so that वो स्टिग्मा नहीं है कि नहीं इनको कोविड हुआ है तो इनसे दूर रहें, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
नहीं सर, एब्सोल्युटली है, बट सम केसेस में कुछ सुनने में आया है, कुछ पीपल जिन लोगों का नेगेटिव माइंडसेट था.
नहीं, ये मेरे केस में भी हुआ. नहीं, I'll share one thing. ये मेरे केस में हुआ जब मेरा जो स्टाफ था ना, ओके, उनके पेरेंट्स ने उनको ये बोला कि आप रिपोर्ट नेगेटिव लेकर आओ, फिर ही घर पर आओ. या तो मेरे स्टाफ ने 2 दिन तक मेरे क्लिनिक में रुका हुआ था, चाबी उनके पास थी. They slept there only. Okay, they knew that they are negative, but then वो घर वालों को लगता है ना कि नहीं यार हम लोग क्यों उनसे इन्फेक्ट हो जाए, तो वो वहां पे थोड़ा हर्डल आया मेरे को, but now they are fine, no problems at all.
So major part of the society has the acceptability factor.
Yes.
And with the kind of education going around, everybody is becoming a little more open कि ये अभी तक तो पता नहीं था क्या है, but अब पता लगना चालू हो गया कि ये जो इन्फेक्ट हो रहे हैं उससे एक बार टाइम निकल जाता है तो इन्फेक्शन क्लियर हो जाता है, and then there is no harm. There is no harm to mingle around with those people.
You can eat with that person, you can shake hand with that person, no problems at all.
Absolutely.
Ajit, can you take next question? Balu, can you take next question? Question number 8.
Okay, I think Sunny, you can take it around.
What message do you give to common man so that he is safe? He's safe himself from in the future.
See,
I think you
there
have
are
given
few
that.
things like what I have studied.
I think Manyoga has already covered it, but we need a punchline.
See, I have few things to say. One is this virus is going to be there throughout the life with you, right? Okay, so just take necessary precautions. Whatever protocols have been laid down, just follow them. Wear mask. Don't go out unnecessary. Don't risk yourself. Okay, and stay positive, because positivity is the only thing, is the only mantra where you can get yourself cured. Second thing is, wherever is a doubt that you are having a single doubt that you think you are positive, go yourself, get it tested. Don't wait for the symptoms to worsen, because in last 15 days, we have seen that we have lost few young people in Ahmednagar. They were not, we lost few young lives, Why? Because they delayed the symptoms. They neglected the symptoms, So just wherever you feel, see in last 15 days, 10 days, I have got many calls where I have motivated people to go and get themselves tested. Only thing is because it should not get worsened. Once it worsens, then it is difficult to control that disease, the damage, So
I agree.
First thing is get out of that fear, कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. Positive तो positive, कोई problem नहीं है. Positive आएगा तो उसको positively लेना है हमको, उसको negatively लेना नहीं है. So don't neglect the symptoms, right? And
लोग बोलते हैं कि अरे बदनामी हो जाएगी. This is what I heard recently. This was the joke which I heard recently.
Yes,
कि अरे उसकी
even I
death हो
have
गई
heard.
and उसकी बदनामी हो गई कि वो कोविड से मर गया. Oh God, I was like, what is this बदनामी?
मर गया मतलब क्या? मर गया मतलब क्या? HIV से तो नहीं मरा है ना? HIV में ज्यादा बदनामी है.
वायरल फीवर है ना तो.
क्या मतलब आप क्या चाहते हो कि कोविड क्या बदनामी थोड़ी? कोविड किस यार हम लोग पिछले Payal, you are also a doctor. We are working bloody since last 4 months, day in and day out, without fear.
I agree, sir.
Risking our life. So why that fear? बदनामी किस चीज की? We should be proud that we have served the nation and we got infected. Come on,
ये ज़्यादा part है.
And we have survived through it.
Yeah, we have fighted through it. We have survived. Come on.
Yes.
तो बदनामी किस चीज की?
No. This is the thing which I heard. That is why I'm talking to you.
Yes,
Achha, one more question, please, Sunny bhai, if it's okay with you.
Yes.
One.
हमारे पास एक 5 मिनट से.
As just once, okay. Just one thing you said कि हमको इसको lifetime अपने साथ लेके चलना है. So do you mean कि the holidays will be cancelled?
No. Why?
They should not be. They should not be.
Sharmeet bhai.
You should not stop living your life, ये तो चलते रहेगा. It's like an influenza virus. सर्दी खांसी ये चलते रहने वाला है ये. तो क्या जीना छोड़ देंगे हम लोग?
I think वैक्सीन आ जाएगा 1-1.5 महीने में.
आएगा भी ना, ठीक है ना, लेकिन जीना तो नहीं छोड़ सकते यार उसके लिए.
Yes.
Okay, नरेंद्र भाई, last question.
Okay.
आपके हिसाब से क्वेश्चन पूछो नरेंद्र भाई.
What will you say, doctor, about plasma donation?
Big question.
Yeah, I am O positive, ready to donate plasma. Whoever requires, I am ready to donate my plasma. No problems whatsoever.
Sir, there are again. I'm sorry. I'm taking.
This should actually get a round of applause for this.
Anytime,
Bravo, sir.
no positive. I am universal donor, no problems at all.
Sir,
Very
one
good,
more
very good.
question.
Thank you.
I'm sorry again. मेरे अब curiosities बढ़ती जा रही है. अभी
बोलिए,
अपन
बोलिए.
जब मिलेंगे Tuesday को तब और रहेंगे शायद. I
Yes,
will be ready with
yes,
more.
yes, yes.
But today, as the topics are opening, I wanted to know कि plasma का, if you have studied, कि in Delhi at least, they are giving plasmas, but the level of success is not that good. Is it true? Is it what is your study tells?
See, I have not gone into details of that because मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं उस एंगल से प्लाज्मा के बारे में. But I'll definitely, I'm planning to take out some articles and just go through it. अभी free time है,
Okay.
so I'll just work out. I'll study on it. Hopefully on Tuesday we might discuss this. Let's see.
Sure.
Yeah. Or
Sunny, how much time do we have now?
I think 4 minutes we have. You can start, Manju.
Okay. We, the members of Lions Club of Pride.
before the closing comment, I'll just say a few lines.
Sir, please.
जिंदा दिल रहिए जनाब, ये चेहरे पे उदासी कैसी है, ये वक्त ही तो है, ये गुजर जाएगा, थोड़ा मुश्किल जरूर है लेकिन ये गुजर जाएगा. So be positive, be focused and believe in yourself.
क्या
Very
बात
great.
है, क्या बात
Very
है.
good.
Very nice.
Thank you for your so inspirational words.
थोड़ा स्पीकर के आगे सामने आ जा.
Okay. Taking this meeting to a conclusion, we, the members of Lions Club of Ahmednagar Pride, would like to take this opportunity to thank our esteemed guest, Dr. Sanjay Asnani, a belligerent survivor of the war against COVID-19. We appreciate his efforts and are obliged for his sharing his insights on how successfully he managed to tackle the virus. His experience and knowledge will surely be beneficial to many. Thank you, sir, for being with us and sharing your experience.
And before taking the lead, I would like to thank Dil Se to all the Saideep Hospital staff, especially Dr. Kiran Deepak. I had given full authority to him कि जो करना है भाई तू कर. And not to forget SS Deepak sir, he was continuously monitoring my parameters and he was instructing Kiran. So, and the whole team of Saideep, and Deepak Hospital, the paramedical staff. Thank you very much for all your support. Thank you is a very small word, but then I owe this heart to you people, guys. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir. In this hour of unprecedented, let me continue. In this hour of unprecedented crisis, we, the members of Lions Club of Ahmednagar Pride, stand united to take a pledge to fight against the pandemic COVID-19. Just to mention our upcoming efforts and are to educate the masses of preventive measures, one of which would be being Jal Niti. Details will be shared with you shortly. And distribution of homeopathic medicine arsenic album 30 in slums, which will be executed at the soonest. On the onset, I would also like to thank our team, President Dr. Payal Dood, Treasurer Mr. Ravi Tumanpally, who's not present at this moment, Project Chairperson Mr. Sunny Wadhwa, and all other members of our team present here. And the ones who get a real thanks from the bottom of my heart and a message for all of you viewing this: be safe, go out only as much as required, use all precautions. Jai Hind, and thank you once again.
Can we all clap?
Thank you.
Can we
Thank
all
you so much.
salute him with the cap?
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Doctor sir, thank you so much.
Everybody.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so
Thank
much,
you,
sir.
ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for your time, Sanjay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Very good, Sunny bhai.
Thank you.
Very
Thank
good.
you. Thank you, sir. I will just end the meeting with the Jai Hind.
Thank you.
And well
sir.
done, the president of the team, Dr. Payal, and all the team. Thank you so much.
See you soon, guys.
Thank you. Have a
See you.
great day. Take
See you
care.
on Tuesday, sir.
See you soon.
Bye-bye.
Stay home.
Bye-bye.
Stay
Bye,
safe.
bye.
Bye.